Hello, students and learners. You all are welcome in our newly established Center for Distance and Online Education, Central University of Himachal Pradesh. Considering the vital significance of the goal of Viksit Bharat 2047 and moving ahead on the path of vision enshrined in our National Education Policy 2020, I really feel extreme pride that our university, Central University of Himachal Pradesh, Dharamshala, has stepped into a new era of offering academic programs at higher level through online mode. NEP 2020 although talks about increasing the access to higher education and improving as well the gross enrollment ratio at higher level to 50% by 2040. The current GR at higher level is much low, and the programs through open and distance mode as well as online learning mode can play a vital, major important role in realizing this target. To add in, we can say rather this is an Ahuti contribution to this national Yajna, and our university has established therefore Center for Distance and Online Education, which shall offer various higher education academic programs through ODL and OL mode. Our university has been accredited with A+ grade and has been accorded graded autonomy by the University Grants Commission last year. We have been working seamlessly to create a steadily network of national as well as global partnerships with higher educational institutions, research organizations, and industry within India and outside India. The university has undertaken many significant steps for quality enhancement in higher education, and as a result of such efforts, significant achievements have also been made by the university. In the area of such steps, offering of online programs through CDOE, which is recently created by the Central University of Himachal Pradesh to socially disadvantaged classes of the society and those in remote areas have been limited, who have been limited representation in higher education. Our mission is to reach the unreached and provide educational facilities to poorer as well as weaker sections of the society. Additionally, we are also eyeing on global learners, professional workers to take advantage of such OL programs, and with the IT and ICT enabled facilities such as Vital Classrooms, e-tutorial, etc. And as well, we at CDOE have established online LMS for offering online programs. The provision of ESLM, video, lectures, OERs and live discussions forums will create such e-learning environment that will remain memorable for the learners of this center. Being the host as a head of the institution, I extended a very warm welcome to all our prospective learners of CDOE and hope that you will cherish the experiences that you will receive through CDOE during your academic journey. I wish you all the best for all your future endeavors and welcome. Thank you very much.